Hi guys, it's PB. Today I'm going to be looking at the lender hand. Now when I first took this on site I got a few funny looks, but when you see what it actually does, it's a real good addition to your toolkit. The first thing we're going to do is, say we were going to be soldering near this plastic cistern. Now what I would probably normally do on site is grab my hammer, pin that to the wall or bang a screw in. Now the trouble with that is I've now left a mark on the wall. So what you can do with the lender hand is you can clip it to the pipe, get your burn mat in place, and the lender hand will pin the burn mat to the wall any way you want it, even if you need to do it upside down like that. You can get it in there, hold your burn mat in place, and you can solder your fit in without worrying about damaging any of the surfaces. So on this one we need to solder our piece of pipe sticking out. Now the danger of that is when it heats up, it will drop. So we can use the lender hand. You can either clip it to the pipe or to the wood, and we can set that exactly where we want it. Make sure it's level. You can either move the lender hand up to meet the pipe or bend the arm. Then we can solder that without worry of it moving and dropping out of position. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I need to solder a drain cock on this pipe. What will normally happen is, as soon as you let go, the drain cock drops out. What I would normally do, not with my best screwdriver, tap that into the wall to hold my drain cock in place. I've now left a mark in the wall. So with lender hand, I can solder that now and it won't move. The next thing I'm going to show you is on a long pipe run. If you've already got the clips on the wall, that's all well and good, but in certain circumstances you won't want to fit your clips yet. And if you put a long piece of pipe on a joint, it will sag. So you can use your lender hand, set it in place and hold your pipe at the correct height, ready to solder. Okay, so now I'm going to look at waste pipe. So I've got a solvent pipe and elbow, and I need to get my pipe from there to the bath or to the wash hand basin. I can use my lender hand, set that pipe while the glue's going off. It's exactly where I want it. If you're soldering a vertical piece of pipe into a fitting, what will happen is as soon as you heat that up, it will drop out. What I would normally do is I'll crimp the pipe slightly and then turn the pipe in the fitting, so now that won't drop out. But what I've done there is I've invalidated the warranty on the fitting because I've damaged it. So with a lender hand, you can set that up and hold the pipe in the fitting without having to damage the fitting. If you need to solder a 90 out of situ, what I would normally do, probably set something up like this, stick my drill on so I can solder it. No messing about with a lender hand. You can just add it to the finger, set it up and you're ready to solder. And yeah, that's it, lender hand. Hope you found this video useful.